Ever wondered if your diet truly supports your fitness goals? Are you eating right to build muscle and burn fat? If such questions keep you awake at night, you're not alone. The truth is, diet plays an indispensable role in our fitness journey. It's like the secret sauce that makes the difference between an okay and an outstanding physique. So how about we simplify this for you? Enter the Spartan Diet Principles. No, Spartans didn't carry cute little notepads jotting down every morsel they ate. What they did follow were broad, effective principles that helped them sculpt bodies that were the envy of all. This diet is as simple as it gets, and yet it's incredibly effective. The Spartan diet is not about counting calories or starving yourself. It's about eating the right food at the right time. It's about understanding what your body needs to build muscle and burn fat. Without diet discipline, building a body to die for remains a distant dream. It's time to take action. The Spartan diet is not about counting calories. It's about following broad principles that support muscle building and fat burning. So what's the first step in this Spartan diet? Well, brace yourself. It's small daily fasts. Yes, you heard it right. Only 2 meals a day, a lunch around 1 or 2 in the afternoon, and a hearty dinner at 6 or 7. No snacking, no late night munchies, and no breakfast. This might seem daunting, but it's almost identical to some forms of intermittent fasting. Spartans, in fact, were among the first intermittent fasters. It's a proven method to lose fat while building muscle. Is it challenging at first? Absolutely, but your body will thank you by looking its best. Next, rule number 2, no drinking calories. Those sneaky empty calories lurking in soft drinks and juices are a no-go. Stick with water, green tea, coffee, or if you must, diet drinks. This simple change can drastically speed up your fat loss. So, be disciplined and say goodbye to drinking calories. Moving on to our third principle, eat clean protein with every meal. Protein is the building block of muscle, and lean forms of protein like chicken and fish are your best bet. Next up, make vegetables your best friend. They're virtually impossible to overeat, great for tackling hunger, and they help your body detoxify. The less you cook them, the better. Now let's talk about carbohydrates. Yes, you need them, especially with an active lifestyle like a Spartan's. But don't go overboard. Most people struggling with weight are in fact carb addicts. So try to resist the temptation and lean towards protein and vegetables whenever possible. Lastly, remember to read labels. As the master of your destiny, you're responsible for what you put into your body. Don't let deceptive marketing lure you into buying things you don't need. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also about when and how you eat. The Spartan diet is a lifestyle, not just a diet. The Spartan diet isn't a quick fix, it's a sustainable lifestyle change. It may be hard at first, but the results are worth it. Imagine the benefits of this diet in terms of fat loss and muscle building. Picture the transformation this could bring to your overall health. This isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. It's about cultivating a warrior mindset, a mindset that refuses to settle for less. With the Spartan diet, you're not just eating, you're fueling a machine, your machine. It's about making choices that serve your body and your goals. It's about discipline and consistency, but remember, it's not just about the food, it's about a lifestyle change. This diet strategy won't let you down as long as you train hard and keep your mind in the game. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. It's time to stop making excuses and start eating like a Spartan. Are you ready to take the challenge?